I watch so many people shy away from projects that have zippers in them just because they're not comfortable with their machine. But I'm going to show you that the foot number 4 zipper foot that comes with the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 630 sewing machine is just as easy as it can be. So one thing I do is I do use zippers that are extra long. So if your pattern calls for like a 10-inch zipper and you only have like a 14-inch zipper, that's okay. Usually that's not a problem. But the one thing I do point out is that some people put their zipper foot on upside down or backwards. So these 3 little points actually go behind the foot, and you need to be able to read the number 4 on the front toe. What these little guys are is a space for the IDT that is on the back of a Pfaff sewing machine to help keep the fabric and zipper pulling in evenly. So with this foot, you can actually attach it to the left side and the IDT will fit through the left groove, or the right side and it fits in this groove. So when you're looking at your zipper and you're wanting to do like maybe right sides together and your pattern has you put that right next to the edge, you're going to want to have the foot right next to the zipper teeth. So that means we're going to attach it to the left side. Make sure that your machine is on a straight stitch because you definitely don't want to be doing any zigzagging or decorative stitches with this particular foot. And when you lower it down, you're just going to lower it so the foot sits as close as possible. With that straight stitch selected, just guide the foot right down the fabric and the zipper as close as you can. Now normally when you're done, you do find that the pattern will guide you to go to your iron and press this flat. So then that way it has a nice crisp edge. Then if you want to top stitch that down, you usually just kind of slide this over, but you notice now the foot needs to be attached to the other side. So all you have to do is press down on the foot, attach it back over on the other side, and position the fabric and foot so it easily is top stitched in place. After this, you usually just follow the pattern, repeat for the other side of the zipper, and continue on. So I don't know what people are always afraid about zippers for. I think they are very easy when you understand how a zipper foot works.